One moment of inattention, and an accident can happen in the blink of an eye. Let's take a look at some of the dangerous situations that can arise when working with heavy equipment and challenging terrains, and learn valuable lessons about workplace safety. In this moment, the truck struggles to conquer the slippery road, where thick mud tests the endurance of the drivers. Experienced drivers know that even a small mistake can cause the wheels to lose traction, and the risk of overturning or losing control is always looming. This scene serves as a warning about the dangers of operating heavy equipment on unstable terrain. A light gust of wind or an unexpected environmental factor can change everything in an instant. Every turn or bump along rugged roads carries risk. This overturned truck with a heavy load reminds us of the importance of maintaining stability and a low center of gravity while transporting materials. For an excavator, every turn or moment of inattention can quickly escalate into an uncontrollable disaster, especially on unstable terrain. And then, the accident strikes without warning. On construction sites, it's common to see trucks bogged down in the mud. The terrain changes constantly, and sometimes even a small patch of thick mud can halt progress. This severe incident is a stark reminder of the danger of operating large equipment on rugged terrain. A tiny mistake can cause everything to come crashing down in the blink of an eye. For rollers, any miscalculation when assessing the terrain can lead to devastating consequences. That's why it's so important to check the ground thoroughly before starting work. When a truck overturns, it's not just about the panic of the driver, but also the urgency of rescue vehicles. Prompt assistance can prevent further damage and restore stability. Losing control on a bridge is one of the most dangerous situations. Especially when transporting heavy materials, attention to the structure and strength of the bridge is crucial to prevent accidents. For excavators, moving on soft or unstable soil is never easy. When they become immobilized, everything grinds to a halt, and quick support from other equipment is needed to resume work. This situation highlights the dangers of working with lifting equipment, especially when handling heavy loads that require extreme precision. This mishap could stem from a careless transport or a failure to inspect thoroughly before moving. It shows the crucial importance of safe transport practices. These situations remind us of the critical need to double-check when working with heavy items and lifting equipment to avoid any accidents. This accident frequently happens when transporting heavy materials on rough, unstable roads. It's why controlling speed and checking road conditions are so essential. Such incidents are common on construction sites, where terrain is ever-changing. We can see how important it is to have timely assistance from other vehicles to avoid work disruptions. On construction sites, transporting materials continuously is a usual sight. However, precise coordination between these machines is essential to avoid collisions or unforeseen accidents. This rare situation shows the danger of having too many vehicles operating in a confined space. Drivers must always remain alert and pay attention to their surroundings to avoid unnecessary accidents. These scenarios are quite common in construction sites with unstable terrain. It's evident that timely assistance from other machines is crucial to keep the work going smoothly. This reminds us of the importance of thoroughly checking the weight limit and condition of bridges, especially when transporting heavy materials. When transporting heavy materials, especially on bad or rugged roads, reducing speed and maintaining control is essential. This situation shows the importance of carefully calculating the weight and strength of lifting equipment when working with heavy and large parts. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content.